We can also import records that have been directly exported from the search databases themselves into JBI Summary. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to export studies from medical databases that are hosted on the Ovid platform. Ovid hosts common medical research databases, such as Medline, Embase, and APA PsycInfo. For this demonstration, I will use Ovid Medline as an example, but other databases should work similarly. I'm just going to enter a few search terms, for example, exercise and depression, and click search. This is going to produce the search results below. Now I'm just going to select, for example, the first 3 results and click export here. To prepare for import into Summary when directly exporting from any Ovid database such as Medline, Embase, or PsycInfo, we need to make sure that the citations are exported as an RAS format and not the XML format. This is because XML files from Ovid databases are formatted differently than XML files exported from other reference management softwares, such as EndNote or Zotero. However, if you import the citations from an Ovid database into EndNote or Zotero first, then export as an XML from EndNote or Zotero, you can then import the XML file into Summary. We can choose any of the options in the Fields drop-down menu. For this example, I'm just going to choose Complete Reference as the exported fields. The Link to External Resolver option can remain checked, as this enables the citation to connect to your institution's link resolver and locate available full text or access options. Once I've done this, I can click Export, which will download the file and save it to my Downloads folder, with the default file name ras.irs. I can either rename it within the Downloads folder now, or keep it as it is. For now, I'm going to exit out of Medline and go back into Summary. In the Screening tab, click Import. Select the relevant screening stage. I will select Title and Abstract. This will open the Import Record dialog box. If you have your Downloads folder readily open in a separate window, you can drag and drop the relevant file to upload the citation file. Otherwise, you can click Choose File, and this will open your computer files, where you can navigate to where you've saved your citation file. I will go into my Downloads folder, and here we can see the irs.irs file that I just exported from Medline. Once the citation file has been selected, we can then click Open. A success message will appear in green if the file has been successfully imported, and a red failure message will appear if an unsupported format has been selected for import, and you'll see that my file has been imported directly into the title and abstract screening, and that the number of records awaiting screening has been changed from 10 to 13. Detailed information about importing records can be found in the Importing and Managing Records video.